Welcome to an Equipment FX demo on CRM. Thanks for your time. By now, hopefully you've seen a demonstration on CRM from a sales and management standpoint. What you'll see here is a marketing-based demonstration, again sponsored by Sugar CRM. We like this program because of its effectiveness, low cost, it is open source, and practically anyone can work on it, and it will accommodate even the largest of businesses. But at the end of the day, it is not the system that will drive your dealership forward. It is a commitment to a system of some sort, whether this or another one, that will give you an edge for years and decades to come. Much of what you'll see also looks great, but keep in mind many demonstrations of CRM platforms, again, Sugar CRM, Salesforce.com, and many others, they've all got some great functionality. But to get that functionality requires skill sets, training, time, patience, resources, and more importantly, cultural buy-in. We'll also say that you will not use all of the stuff you see. It is important to know just what data needs to be managed, what reports you can run, the timing of actually developing reports, and what to track. And without a full-time analyst at a dealership, it is next to impossible to track a campaign's individual effectiveness. What is important is to create the baseline metrics that actually mean something to your dealership. Website traffic, contact forms complete, new customers created, customer value when upsold and cross-sold. With a marketing campaign set up the right way, you can exponentially increase your return on any and every marketing campaign or sales campaign you run. But tracking the details is often extremely time-consuming and often doesn't amount to much. We advocate doing the right thing up front, set up responsible tracking metrics, track web leads or phone calls to commission statements or something like that, and match new customers with the way in which they first contacted your dealership. There are plenty of common sense measurement activities that don't take too much time away from creating and keeping your customers happy. There are plenty of ways that will allow you to quickly see the value of marketing campaigns that are set up as best in class, period. Don't get bogged down in too many what-if scenarios in the beginning. Carefully review a system that you think best meets your needs, and we'll help with the installation, reporting, training, management, or programming with your website and other mediums, and you'll be off to the races. So with that intro, we'll jump quickly into a marketing-based demo sponsored by Sugar CRM.
Hello, my name is Martin Schneider and I manage marketing here at Sugar CRM. Today I'm going to share with you how I use Sugar every day to develop communications with prospects and customers, capture leads and send them to salespeople, and track the return on investment of marketing. Let's start by logging into Sugar CRM. Sugar is a web-based application that runs on many different platforms. This is my Sugar homepage. The display of the homepage changes based on the role of the user. Because I am in marketing, I see information about leads and marketing programs. I can change what information I see with a few clicks of my mouse. Here I can view my top campaigns, as well as reports such as all opportunities by lead source and leads by campaign. I use these reports to measure the effectiveness of my marketing effort and replicate successful campaigns. One tool I rely on is the Campaign Wizard. The Campaign Wizard walks me through the steps it takes to create, execute, and track campaigns across multiple channels. Today I'm going to create a new email campaign. And set my budget, cost, expected revenue, and objectives. I want my email to include a link to a page on my website, a special offer or a new product, for example. I can create a tracker URL for the link. When the email's recipient clicks on the link, Sugar CRM will add that recipient to a click-through link list. Sugar allows me to create accurate target lists based on Sugar reports or through importing third-party lists. I want to target companies in the manufacturing industry with annual revenue of over $1 million. Finally, I'm going to add the email I want to send to this campaign. I can create a brand new email right here using Sugar's HTML editor, or I can edit one of the existing email templates. I use email templates to ensure campaigns are brand consistent and coordinated across customer channels. I've created some HTML-based email templates within Sugar without writing any actual HTML code. I can make my changes here before sending out my email. The campaign is now complete. I can send a test message to a select target list first. Once I am ready, I will activate the campaign. The View Status button allows me to monitor my campaign's execution to ensure my email reached the targeted audience. This chart displays the status of my messages. I can see how many emails were sent, how many recipients opened their emails, and even how many of them clicked on the embedded links. If I click on the click-through link bar here, I can access a list of recipients who clicked on the embedded links in the email. I can add this list to another target list and follow up with them later based on their interests. I used Sugar's Campaigns module to reach specific targets based on metrics that I was able to measure with Sugar's reports. Next, I will use Sugar's Campaigns module to capture leads from my website directly into my Sugar CRM system. Sugar's Web-to-Lead form presents all fields and values from the Leads module. I can drag and drop the fields I want to capture in each form to ensure useful information is handed off to salespeople for follow-up. Without the need for any technical resources, I created my Web-to-Lead form that will directly import campaign responses into Sugar. I want all the new leads to be associated to the campaign I created earlier. I also want to qualify and track leads by handing them off to the correct sales representative. Next, I can embed my customizable form within our customer-facing website. Once a new lead visits my website, they can enter their information via the form I created. I can close the loop between marketing and sales by automating the handoff process. The Web-to-Lead form I designed routed a lead to the correct salesperson based on territory, team, or specialty. The salesperson can then convert leads to opportunities and ensure appropriate follow-up. This allows me to measure the effectiveness of this marketing campaign from the initial offer to a closed sales opportunity. I can easily view the return on investment of my campaign. This chart enables me to assess the effectiveness of marketing campaigns relative to budget, channel, expected revenue, and win rate to gain a full picture of how marketing programs impact the sales pipeline.
Thanks for taking the time to learn about these Sugar CRM features. You can watch additional demos here to see how Sugar improves other customer-facing processes. To try these features yourself, please sign up for your own free 30-day trial of Sugar today.